Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Sir.
Are you all fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. To solve it by completing square, at first we should convert these terms with fraction, with the terms without fraction. Fraction ma bhayeko term arlai fraction na bhayeko term ma convert garnu parne at first. Then only we can use the method to completing the square. So at first in its solution, take LCM here to left hand side. LCM is 3. If LCM is 3, it is 3x square plus 2x divided by 3, which is equal to 35 by 9 remains as it is to right hand side. Left hand side में हमले 3 LCM लियो, right hand side लाई इतने छोड़ दियो. Okay, now do cross multiplication. Take 9 to left side and 3 to right side. That means 3x square plus 2x, it is multiplied by 9. Similarly, 35 is multiplied by 3. Now after this, multiply it inside. 9 3 is 27, x square plus 9 to the 18x is equal to 105. Now it is in form of perfect quadratic equation. अहिले fraction को form में थियो. Now it is 27x square plus 18x minus 105 is equal to 0. It is in form of ax square plus bx minus plus c is equal to 0. This is the form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And the numbers are big numbers, 27, 18, 105. So we have to try. If anything is common from these all, that we have to try here. If anything is common, we should try to take common from all. So check these all. What we can take common from these all? Check it.
It's
What we can take common from these all?
like
Until I divide one,
three.
same number चाहिए.
3x3.
3. So we can take 3 common from these all. After taking 3 common, it will be 9. After taking 3 common, it will be 6. And after taking 3 common, this one will be 35 only. Oh. Okay. After taking, already I said, after taking 3 common, it becomes 9x square plus 6x minus 35 is equal to 0. Now take this 3 to another side. 0 divided by 3, that means 0 only. So remaining value is 9x square plus 6x minus 35 is equal to 0. Our method is completing the square. Factorization method बाट गर्दा factorize गर्नु पर्थ्यो. 9 into 35, multiply these and then make the factors by making its 4 terms. That is the factorization method. But for completing square method, we have to make a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is our formula. So here is 9x square. So in our formula, there must be 3x whole square, because a is in place of a square, there must be 3x whole square, because 3x whole square is equal to 9x square. And for the middle term, 2ab, a square plus 2ab. In place of 2ab, this 2 comes from formula, and a is 3x. A ko value 3x sa, and remaining is 1 only, because there is 3x. Sorry, 6x. 6x sa, 6x 2 3 just 6x already by secure. Nothing is remaining, so we can take here 1, and this is added here to make the formula. You 1 sadai chaina question ma, it is not there in question, but we added it to make our formula. Okay, why this is added? Just for the formula. And if it is added, we have to subtract this one also. You add त्यत्तिकै गर्न पाइदैन, subtract पनि गर्नुपर्छ, because 1 square is added, 1 square is subtracted also. and minus 35 remains as it is. Know the method of this step clearly yourself. So after this one, 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into 1 plus 1 square. This is the formula of 3x plus 1 whole square. Minus 1 square means minus 1 and minus 35 remains as it is. Minus 1 and minus 35, it is minus 36. Take this minus 36 to another side. Now to get the value of x, we must know that which numbers square is this? Which number square is this?
6.
Yes, it is the
6.
square of 6. But remember that it is the square of plus 6 as well as minus 6. Minus 6 को स्क्वायर गर्दा पनि 36 नै आउँछ. Plus 6 को स्क्वायर गर्दा पनि के नै आउँछ त? That will be 36 only.
36.
Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Square of plus 6 is
Yes,
36.
sir.
Similarly, square
Yes,
of minus
sir.
6 is also 36. So we have to say 3x plus 1 whole square is equal to plus or minus 6 whole square. Now cancel out these squares from both sides. Remaining values are 3x plus 1 is equal to plus or minus 6. Now to get value of x, once we have to take positive signs and then we have to take negative sign, because there are two signs. One is positive, another is negative. So at first, if we will take positive sign, it becomes 3x plus 1 is equal to 6. Positive sign means plus 1. No need to write positive sign here. And take this 1 to another side. It is 3x is equal to 6 minus 1. If 1 is taken to right side, 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1, it is 5. 3x is equal to 5. And then x is equal to 5 divided by 3. This is the one of the root of this quadratic equation. Euta root आइसक्यो. Next one is take negative sign. If we will take negative sign, 3x plus 1 is equal to minus 6. यहाँ first में positive लिया थियो, sign लेख्नु पर्दैन for positive 1. If we have to take negative sign, it is necessary to write here. So 3x plus 1 is equal to minus 6 while taking negative sign. Now, as like previous solution, take this 1 to right hand side. So 3x is equal to minus 6 minus 1. Are you hearing me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, minus 6 and minus 1. It is equal to minus 7. So now divide this minus 7 by 3. X is equal to minus 7 by 3. In this way, we can complete the solution of this quadratic equation. So what two answers we get here? One is x is equal to 5 by 3. Another is x is equal to minus 7 by 3. If there is any problem, you may ask to me. के समस्या छ भने कुनै लाइनमा सोध्दा हुन्छ. Do you have any problem in any line?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Then let's move to next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is solved by using the formula. Now we have to use formula for x. So at first look at this given question. Given question is x square minus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. So while solving it by formula method, at first we have to compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Just remember it. यो दिएको इक्वेसनलाई ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 सँग compare गर्नुपर्ने हो. Always remember the process. And now after comparing with it, what we will get, that we have to write x square सँग यहाँ के छ? What is here with x square?
1.
1. Nothing means 1. So value of a is 1. Similarly with x, there is minus 10. And after that, last constant term is 21. So same thing we have to write here. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 10, and c is equal to 21. Now use the formula for roots of quadratic equation. that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula. अब फॉर्मुला मेथड में दुईटा चीज याद गर्नु पर्यो. फर्स्ट में ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 सँग कंपेयर गर्नु पर्ने छ. सेकेन्डली फॉर्मुला टु क्याल्कुलेट द x is minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So these two things you have to remember here. Now put the values of a, b and c. Value of b is minus 10. Again value of b is minus 10. Value of a is 1. Value of c is 21. So these values you have to put. Similarly to a, again value of a is 1. Simplify it. Minus into minus, it will be plus. Similarly minus square, it will be positive. So we will get minus into minus plus 10. Plus or minus remains same. Root over 10 square 100. And 21 into 1 into 4, it is equal to 84. Divided by 2 into 1, it is 2 only. Or x is equal to 100 minus 84, it is 16. 10 plus or minus root over 16 divided by 2. Now get the square root of 16. What is the square root of 16?
4.
4.
4.
56.
So square root of 16 is 4. It becomes 10 plus or minus 4 divided by 2. Here also we get two signs. One is plus as well as minus. जुन 3 को लास्ट क्वेशन हामीले सल्भ गरेका थियौं 10 नम्बर त्यसमा पनि यस्तै थियो एउटा प्लस माइनस हुँदा हामीले के गरेका थियौं त once we have to take positive sign then we have to take negative sign. So while taking positive sign x is equal to 10 plus 4 by 2. 10 plus 4 by 2. 10 plus 4 14 divided by 2 it is 7. One value of x is 7. Similarly if we take negative sign we will get 10 minus 4 divided by 2. 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4.
6.
6 divided by 2. It is 3. So two answers we get. X is equal to 3 or 7. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Confusion, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, then also let me revise these lines again. With which formula we have to compare the given equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And then we have to use formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Just remember these two values. Okay. Which two? One. Another. This one. So let's move to next question. Again, question number 4 and question number 10. Question given to us is 1 by x plus 2 plus 1 by x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 10. Now while solving it, we have to take LCM of these two denominators, x plus 2 and x minus 3. If we'll take LCM of these two values, we will get x plus 2, x minus 3 in denominator. Because both are different. दुईटै different भएको हुनाले यो LCM आयो. Multiply this 1 with x minus 3. x minus 3 यहाँ आयो. Then x plus 2 with 1, it becomes x plus 2. This line is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if it is clear, now simplify it. X plus x. X plus x.
2x.
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 Minus
2x.
3 plus 2.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
One.
Minus 1. And multiply the denominator. Denominator में पनि x ले x minus 3 लाई multiply गरेर 2 ले x minus 3 लाई multiply गरेर. In numerator, we will get 2x minus 1. In denominator, x times x minus 3 plus 2 times x minus 3. And now, 2x minus 1 in denominator, x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 3 to the 6. Just we multiplied the values. X into x square, x into 3, 3x, 2 into x, 2x, minus 2, 3 the 6. Okay. Now, after this step, do just cross multiplication. Multiply this one with 1. Similarly, 2x minus 1 with 10. So, x square minus 3x plus 2x, it is minus x only. That is minus 1x only. And minus 6, it is multiplied by 1. Like 1 multiply by 2x minus 1, it is multiplied by 10. 1 into this whole term remains as it is, x square minus x minus 6. किनकि 1 ले multiply
I did not get, sir, this line.
Yes.
This line, sir, x square minus x minus 6 all into 1.
There is problem.
Yes, sir, little bit.
Okay, x square
Cross multiplication.
minus 3x plus 2. What is its value? Minus 3x plus 2x.
1 means x.
Its value is minus 1 only. That means minus
Yes,
x
sir.
only. And other terms remain same. एउटा त यहाँनिर simplify गर्यो. Next thing is we did cross multiplication. This value into 1.
Yes,
यो right
sir.
hand side को 1 आएर यहाँ multiply भयो. त्यस्तै 2x minus 1, it is multiplied with this 10.
Oh.
Left side को numerator, right side को denominator सँग multiply भयो. त्यसै गरी left side को denominator, right side को numerator सँग multiply भयो. Is this clear now?
Now I get, sir.
Okay.
Now clear, sir.
Okay. If it is multiplied by 1, it remains x square minus x minus 6. And if 2x minus 1 is multiplied by 10, it becomes 20x minus 10. Now take all terms to same side and then use formula. Because in question number 4, it is stated to use formula to us. Formula नै use गर्ने भनेको छ. So 20x as well as minus 10, these are taken to right side. 20x becomes minus 20x and minus 10 becomes plus 10 while transposing to right side. Right side ma transpose garda sign change huncha. You know this one. And x square minus x as well as minus 20. These are the like terms. You minus x minus 20. What is their value? Minus x minus 20x. Yes, what is
Minus 21x.
minus 21x. Similarly, minus 6 plus 10.
Plus 4.
Yes, it will be
Four.
plus 4 only. Now it is perfect quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So we have to compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We will get a is equal to 1, x square सँग भएको value 1, and value with x, it is minus 21, that is b, and the constant value is 4, that is c is equal to 4. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 21, and c is equal to plus 4. Now use the formula. What is formula for quadratic equation for value of x? Yes, please.
X
May
is
repeat
equal
it.
to minus
Yes, x is equal to minus b plus or
minus
minus
b
root over
plus
square
minus
minus
root
4ac
of b
divided by 2a. You may repeat with me.
One,
Remember
2a.
it. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now put the values. That is the remaining thing. Minus b means minus of minus 21. B square is square of minus 21. यानिर minus 21 को square हुने भयो. Minus 4 into 1 into c, that is 4, and divided by 2a, 2 into 1. So after putting values, we get minus 21 plus or minus root over minus 21 square minus 4 into 1 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. Now minus 21 square, it is 441, and 4 4s, it is 16, divided by 2 1 2, and minus of minus is, it is plus 21. Now subtract it. 441 minus 16. It is root over 425. Is the 425 square root of any exact whole number? 420, sorry, is this the square of any whole number? 425
No,
को exact
sir.
square root निकाल्न सकिन्छ त? Check
No,
the
sir.
calculator. Are you checking it?
It's not square of any whole number.
So we have to factorize it. If you will factorize it, you will get 5 into 5 into 17. Okay, 5 into 5 into 17. So 5 comes out of root, 5 बाहिर रहन्छ, 17 भित्रै रहने भयो. And if we will take positive and negative sign, again these values will remain as it is because there is square root. Square root भएको हुनाले प्लस लिएर एउटा भ्यालु आउँछ, माइनस लिएर एउटा भ्यालु आउँछ, फेरि स्क्वायर रुट यतिकै हुन्छ. We can't simplify more than that. So we may leave this answer as it is. Okay. So this is our required answer. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
No confusion,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This much for today. And the student whose exam is missing, remain in contact with me. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.
Good evening.